Oh my god, it's gone in. Hello and welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey, and I'm using the Ooni Pro. Let's go make the pizza. As you can see, my logs have come right down. I'm going to put another log in now. So I'm just putting the log in 5 minutes before my cook. I've stretched my dough so much. I've rolled all the bubbles out with my mini pizza roller. Ooh, let's see. It's been about 20 minutes since the last cook. But the stone is pretty good at keeping its temperature. So once that little log gets going, I think in about 5 minutes time, 5 to 7 minutes time, that'll be nice and warm again. Let that catch, and I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, so that's been about 7 minutes, and as you can see, the temperature's gone right up, and I'm ready to check the oven. So let's check the back temperature, sorry, the middle. Wow, it's amazing how much one log can increase the temperature of an oven so fast. It's a bit high for the middle. It's about where my pizza's going, so I'm gonna do my pan thing again. It will only take about a minute for my pan to come down, for my pan to bring it down in temperature, if that. Nice flame going on there. It's like hypnotizing. Okay, I'm gonna remove it now. Check my temperature. There, what? That was about a minute, wasn't it? That was a real time wait for that stone to do that, so you know how long you've got to wait. Okay, let's get this in. Got my peel, haven't I? I think with this dough, it likes the harsh flames for a very short period of time. I really did want to roll this out really thin. So I think it came out good like that. See, that's as thin as I probably can ever get it without it falling through the hole. That barbecue sauce on those red onions is like it's like red onion chutney now. Try that piece. It was very nice. I like my red onion chutney flavour on there with my sausages. And they still got bubbly dough, even though I rolled it like anything. Glad I rolled this one or stretched it out more, because it's come out as a better crust. Although I think I might have taken away some of the bubbles, it was worth it not to get a big puffy pie. Very nice. God, this is a spider. God, it's got on my mug. Oh my gosh, can you imagine if I was having my coffee and I'm talking and then it goes into my coffee? Oh my gosh, it is. And then I drink it. Oh, Halloween's come early. Where'd it go? I'm too scared to get... Where's it gone? Oh my God, is it in my mug? Oh, oh my God, it's on my mug. It's on my mug. It's on my mug. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, that's really gross. Oh my God, I feel ill. Oh my gosh. If I had noticed, I could have picked that up and I could have drunk out of it. Oh my God, it's gone in. Get off. I haven't finished. I'm not drinking that now. Look, this is like Halloween. You are. Halloween special. This is horrid. God, I hate spiders. Oh, get off my mug. Ooh, gotta move it. I've gotta move it. Oh my God, where is it? Is that it? Is it there? Is that it? Oh. Ooh. Oh. Oh my God.